Yeah. Uh, in the previous problem, we already solved the previous problem, right? Previous problem 1.1 hashing problem in the title hash problem 1.1. See, what we discussed about the sequence, right? Which is the correct sequence for this. See, I'll show you the problem once again. Yeah, this is the problem. Which is the correct sequence for to have this table. Okay, we got C as an option. Yeah, hope everyone remember, like we got C as an option: 46, 34, 42, 23, 52, 33. See, we will write the same. Okay, it will useful for us to solve the next question because it's a linked question. It has been asked for the 4 marks. We will write the same. Sorry, sorry. Due to this pen, that's why it's happening. Okay, yeah. We'll write the sequence, correct sequence: 46, 34, 42, 23, 52, and 33. Okay, we'll write the sequence. So we'll analyze now. It's very easy to analyze, don't worry. I'll try to paste this down. Not able to paste this. Sorry. Okay, no problem. Okay, they're asking the question. I'll read from here. How many how many different insertion sequences of the, see, this is one of the insertion sequence that we have computed in the previous problem. This is one of the insertion sequence. Okay, like this, how many insertion sequences of the key values using the same hash function. What is the hash function? He has given hash function of key is equal to k mod 10, right? Yeah, 10, k mod 10 he has given. Yeah. And linear probing as a collision resolution technique will result in the hash table given in the question 3 above. Yeah, see how many like these kind of like insertion sequences are possible with the same hash function, with the same linear probing. How many such kind of insertion sequences can be possible in order to have a same table that is given in the question number 3? This is the question. Okay, we'll solve in the above section only. Like, this is a question. I'll read one more time for you. How many different insertion sequences, like this, see, how many different insertion sequences are possible, like with the same hash function and linear probing, okay, will result in the hash table given in the question number 3. Okay, now let us, I hope everybody got it. See, what is the correct sequence that we got in the previous problem? See, C is the correct sequence, right? Yeah, 46, 34. We'll write it for our reference. 34, 42, and 23, 52, and 33. See, let us do some sort of analysis. Okay, it requires some little analysis, not very difficult analysis. See, 46. See, 46 will directly get mapped to sixth location. Okay, and 34. 34 also will directly get mapped to the fourth location by using that modulus function. 46 mod 10 and 34 mod 10. Okay, and 42 mod 10, like this. Okay, please don't confuse. And next one, 42 will also easily get mapped. Okay, with this sequence. But 23 also easily will get mapped, and 50 to 33. See here, 50 to 33. 46, there is no competition for 46. See here, 46 means it will get mapped to the sixth location, right? See, in the entire sequence there is no competition for 46. Okay, and the next one is 34. For 34 also there is no competition. See, there is a competition there for 42 and 52, 23 and 33. See, 42, 52, 23 and 33. See, now let us see these two. Okay, 52 and 33. See here. Let us see 52 and 33. Okay. Can we swap 52 and 33? See, after inserting these four keys, okay, let us take, we have inserted these four keys. Okay, after inserting these four keys, can we swap 52 and 33? See, let us take initially 52 is not there and 33 is not there. Let us take, these two slots are empty. Okay, we inserted without any like collision or without any problem. We inserted 46, 34, 42 and 23. Yeah, it got inserted without any collision or without anything. What's now like 52 and 33? In place of 52 I'll write 33. In place of 33 I'll write 50. I'll swap it and let me try to insert 33. Okay, if it may try to insert 33, 33 means with the hash function we'll get third as a location. We'll go here, see, collision occurred. We'll go here, 34, still collision occurred. See, 33 will get stored here in the fifth location. 33 will get stored in the fifth location, and 52 means like 2 from the hash function we will get a second location. Collision occurs here, collision occurs here, collision occurs here, collision occurs here, collision collision occurs here, and then collision occurs here. 52 will come and store here. Okay, but originally what is there here? 52 is there. What is there here? 33. See, order is changing. Okay, order is changing. That's why, see, order is changing here. That's why we can't swap 52 and 33. These two need to be in a same order. We cannot swap, like 52 cannot swap with the 33 and the 33 cannot be swapped with the 52. These two, in like other words, I can say 52 has to come before 33. That is the one observation that we have done. Okay, these two are fixed. Okay, now let us try to see. And one more thing, like one more thing, I think you might have noticed, these four, there is no problem of order here. In the previous problem only we discussed, order problem will come only when the collision occurs, but here there is no collision, there is no problem of order here. There is no problem of order. Okay, like these things can be arranged in any number of ways. Like, okay, this thing can like arranged in any ways. That's why how many ways they can be arranged? Okay, 4 factorial ways. Okay, these thing 4 factorial ways it can be arranged. Now let us try to see whether can I take this. See, what is the one condition? 52 has to come before 33. Up to now, that is our observation. Now let us say, can we take 52 into this group? Okay, can we take 52 into this group? Let us see whether it is possible or not. If we take 52 into this group, see, after like before 23, okay, before 23, if we try to take 52 here, what happens? Let's see. Say before 23, if we let us say 52 I inserted here, let us see what will happen. See, 46 will go to the 6th location as it is, and 34 will go to the 4th location as it is, and 42 also will go to the 2nd location, and now 52, right? 52, what happens? Like 52 it is mapped to the 2nd location. Whenever there is a collision in the 2nd location, it will come and map to the 3rd location. 52, see, it is taking the place of 23. See, 23 is supposed to be there at the 3rd location, but if we insert this 52 before 23, what happens here? See, 52 will come and take the 23rd position. No, we cannot do that. Okay, 52 we cannot like put before 23. Okay, that is okay. And now let us try to analyze here. Okay. Can we place here 52? Can we place here? Let us see. Can we place here 52? See, 46 can, if we place there, 46 will get mapped to 6th position, and 34 as usual it will get mapped to the 4th position. 52, see here, 52 will come and map to exactly 2nd position. See, it it is taking the position of the 42 supposed to be in the second position, but when we place the 52 here, 52 will take the second position. 52 can also come in the before what is that number, I forgotten, sorry. 34, yeah, 42. Okay, now let us see, can we place 52 here? Let us see, can we place 52? So that we'll get some number of ways, we'll get number of ways may get increased by doing like this. It's just like combinatorics. Okay, 46 will get mapped to the sixth location, and now 52, see, 52 is still mapping to the second location. It is taking the position of the 42. The original table, second position need to be supposed to be for 42, but 52 is taking that position. No, we cannot like place 52 here also. Like if we place 52 here, same thing happens. Like if we place 52 here, it will go and occupy the second position directly. Like it is not giving a chance for 42 to come and accommodate them. No. 52 cannot be inserted at the first position also. Now let us see. Now we have analyzed for the 52. Now let us we go and analyze for 33 also. It's the same thing. Like you can do it by yourself. Okay, let me explain that. 33. Can we make sure like 33? See, that is one thing is at sure, like 33 cannot come before 52. These two cannot be swapped. Like 33 has to come after 52 only. That is fixed. Okay. Now let us see. That's why 33 cannot come soon after the 23. Okay. 33, let us go and try to put it here. See, if we try to put the 33 here, before 23 occupy third position, 33 will get occupy the third position. That is sure. We cannot put it. It is replacing the 23rd position, like 23rd position. It is taking over the 23rd position. Now let us try to keep the 33 here. 33. Okay. Now see, 46 will occupy the sixth position. It is happily occupying, and 34 is occupying the fourth position. 33, see here, in the place of 23, 30. If we keep 33 before 23, see, we need not to check for each and every position. If we keep 33 before 23, it is understood that before 23, 33 will go to that position and it will occupy the third position. There is no doubt in that. Okay, that's why it is like there is no point of checking for each and every position. Okay, that's why what I can like conclude, what we can conclude here, see, sorry, this is 4 factorial ways. Yeah, this is 1 factorial way. What we can conclude here, 33 has to be here only, 52 has to be here only. There is no change here. But one more thing, one thing you can observe here, 46 here, see, 46 happily saying I can stay anywhere. See, 46 can stay anywhere. 46 can stay here, stay here, and 46 can also stay here, but 46 cannot stay here. Okay, that's a different thing. I'll tell you how the 46 cannot stay there. Okay, see, 46 staying here, here. It is already covered in the 4 factorial ways. Now let us see 46. See, now see what happens. Let me try to compute for this case first. How many ways? Altogether 4 factorial into 1 factorial ways. That is 24 ways. 24 ways. Okay, this is the case 1. And the case 2, like what happens? Like, see, 34, 42, 23. This is one group now. It can be arranged in a 3 factorial ways. And now one more group, what happens, like 46 can be stored anywhere, like it can be inserted in any fashion, any manner. Okay, let us do 46 can be inserted from here also. 46 can be inserted from here also. Okay, see, there will be no there is no problem of problem occurred for our original table. Like original, If we follow this sequence, we'll get the original table only. Let us see. Okay, 34. Okay, fourth, it mapped to the fourth location. 42, it got mapped to the second location. 23, third location. 52, see, second location. What happens? Second location, it will see, first like collision. Third location, collision. Fourth location, collision. It will come and sit in the fifth location. That is surely come and sit in the fifth location. 46. Now what happens? 46, right? 46 aram se it can come and sit in the sixth location. And 33, same. 33, what happens? It will map to the third location. After serial probing, it will come and sit to the which location? What is that location? Seventh location. Yeah, this will happen. See, one more question might be there in your mind, like, why can't we keep 46 here? Yeah, what happens if we keep the 46 here? See, if we keep the 46 here, what happens? See, this will get unaffected, and 42, this also will get unaffected. 23 will also get unaffected. 52 also get unaffected. See, after 52 we are trying to push, like we are trying to insert 33, right? What happens? 33, initially it will go to the 3, like collision. 34, collision. 52, it's a collision. Now what happens? Like, it will replace, it will take over the position of the 46, and it will come and sit here, 33. Whenever we try to like change this position after like whenever we try to place this 46 at the last position. Okay, that's why what we can conclude, 46 can only come here in between this one. Okay, that's it. No other changes are possible because we have analyzed all the changes. Okay, into one factor, only one factorial ways it can be arranged. Okay, we cannot swap. See, some people might have the doubt that 46 can also be placed here. Yes, of course we can place the 46 here. That case has been already covered in this one, right? See, 46 can be placed here. See, yeah, because I also I used to have that doubt. That's why I thought maybe some set of people might have that doubt also. Okay, 3 factorial into 1 factorial. Okay, what happens? 3 to just 6, right? 6 ways. Okay, both the cases, like 26, 24 plus 6, it's going to be 30 ways. 30 ways, it's possible. Okay, now see whether we have option or not. Yeah, we have a 30 as option. These questions are taken from Geeks for Geeks, from the Geeks for Geeks website. Okay, you can practice a number of questions like this in that website.